Hey there, API designers, welcome back. Today we are diving into the next API pattern that helps our system talk to each other seamlessly, the backend integration pattern. If you're working with microservices or distributed systems, this one's for you. So what exactly is backend integration? In simple terms, it's a pattern used when you have multiple backends or services that need to communicate to achieve a common goal. These backends could be part of the same application, or they could belong to different systems altogether. They can't talk to each other using local calls because they are physically separated, often running on different machines or even in different clouds. Instead, they need a reliable way to exchange data and invoke actions remotely. In modern architectures, especially with the rise of microservices, physical separation is the norm. The application might be composed of dozens of services, each handling a specific domain or functionality. For instance, one service manages customer data, another handles billing, and yet another is responsible for shipping. For these services to work together, they need a way to integrate and share information. But how do we enable this communication without making our systems tightly coupled? We want our services to be independent, scalable, and secure. And that's where the backend integration pattern comes into play. The solution? A remote backend integration API. This approach allows different backend systems to communicate through standardized message formats over protocols like HTTP or message queues. By using APIs to expose services, one backend can send requests, trigger processes, or share data with another backend, all while maintaining independence and scalability. Let's look at an example from our Lakeside Mutual insurance case study in our book. Here, the customer self-service backend integrates with the core customer service backend using a backend integration API. Microservices exchange messages via HTTP APIs and message queues like ActiveMQ. This setup not only ensures real-time data synchronization, but also enables loosely coupled communication between different parts of the system. So why is backend integration so important? First, it supports scalability by allowing different services to be deployed and scaled independently. Second, it enhances security because each service can be isolated and accessed only through specific APIs. And finally, it promotes interoperability, letting services be built with different technologies that still work together seamlessly. In summary, the backend integration pattern is essential for building robust, scalable, and maintainable distributed systems. Whether you're working with microservices, cloud-based architectures, or enterprise-level applications, adopting this pattern will help you keep your backend services connected and efficient. Thanks for tuning in. If this video gave you some clarity on backend integration, please hit the like button. Have any questions or want to share your experiences with backend integration? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video.